Your business isn't failing, your systems are. Fix the systems and growth follows. Manual systems slow everything down. Costs keep rising, and decisions take far too long, holding your business back. It's not that your team isn't working hard, they're working against outdated systems. AI is already running operations, predicting outcomes, and personalizing every customer journey, helping businesses scale faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. At Stradimark, we build AI systems tailored to your business, so you can scale smarter, not harder, with automation that drives growth and real results. With Stradimark, AI doesn't just support your team, it works smarter, faster, and becomes your most valuable employee. Visit Stradimark, where the future of work begins now.